So today, one of the things I've been really walking with and thinking a lot about this week is making sure that my tools align with the season that I'm in. And what I mean by that is sometimes, at least for me personally, I have just been so used to fighting. I've been so used to I have to work hard to get these things done, to make the pieces come together, and a lot of that is you have to sow. And so have I been focused on being in a sowing season when maybe God is saying, "Hey baby girl, you're actually not supposed to be focused on sowing or even watering at this point. That you're farther along than you actually think you are. And I need you to be focused on harvesting."